Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to add and manage stickers on your Trello cards, an essential part of personalizing and organizing your Trello experience. To start, you'll need to open up a Trello card. This can be any card on any of your boards. The reason we do this is because stickers are applied directly to cards, allowing you to visually categorize or highlight specific tasks or projects. Once you've opened a card, look for the Stickers button on the right-hand side menu. Now, click on it. This button is your gateway to the world of stickers on Trello. After you click the Stickers button, a pop-up will appear showing a variety of stickers. You can scroll through the selections and choose the one that suits your needs. When you've found the one, simply click on it and voila! The sticker will appear on your Trello card. This helps us personalize our cards and makes them more visually appealing. Now that we've added a sticker, let's talk about managing them. You can move your sticker around the card by clicking and dragging it. This is useful if you have multiple stickers on a card and need to organize them. To resize a sticker, simply click on it and drag the corners. You can make it as large or as small as you like. This is crucial because sometimes you might need to adjust the size of the sticker to make sure the card's information is still visible. Lastly, if you want to remove a sticker, click on it and hit the trash can icon that pops up. It's important to know how to do this in case you accidentally added a sticker or your organizational system changes. So there you have it, everything you need to know about adding and managing stickers on Trello cards. It's a fun and effective way to personalize and organize your Trello boards. Remember, effective use of stickers can help you streamline your projects and tasks, making your Trello experience even more productive. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.